You heard me right. The very first movie created for mobile. Ito po yung Starflix featuring Must Date a Playboy. Kilala niyo po ba sino ang bida dito? Sino ang bida? Kim Chu, tsaka sino pa?
Si Liu.
Ay, gusto niyo ba sila makita?
Mamaya.
Mamaya na, tama, mamaya na. Correct. Now, we will all enjoy this later on, whether you're using ABS-CBN Mobile Prepaid or your mobile home phone. Naku, alam ko excited na kayo lahat. Ako excited din because this will be my very first time to also watch it. At syempre, pwede na tayo manood ng exclusive at original movies na ginawa para lang sa mga kapamilya subscribers. Sino mga kapamilya subscribers dito? Taas ang kamay. Promise yan, ha?
Yeah.
Now you can expect quality production of movies that you can enjoy at your own leisure. Now, if you're wondering, paano ba ginawa itong movie Must Date the Playboy? Gusto niyo bang malaman paano?
Yes.
So, let's watch the making of Must Date the Playboy.
It's about two best friends.
Na si Chloe at si Tori
Si Chloe, siya yung social. Si Tori,
My boyfriend since birth.
na nagbalak na makaganti sa lalaki.
si Zach.
At isa akong playboy.
You made a fool out of me, Zach. Ano sa tingin mo nagkarapatan ka pa maghingi ng chance, ha? It's over.
Akala mo kanina pa over.
It's over when I say it's over. And right now, I'm saying it's over. You lying, cheating, playboy! You broke my heart.
What Chloe wants, Chloe gets.
I asked Tori to date him for me.
Ngayong August 31, darating na ang epic movie experience sa iyong mobile device. Hatid ng ABS-CBN Mobile at ng Star Cinema Starflix, ang exclusive mobile movie series mo.
It's a brand created in partnership with Star Cinema that specifically creates content for ABS-CBN Mobile.
Nakaka-overwhelm. Siyempre, ninatouch ako kasi parang wow akong unang gagawa.
Nakakaba kasi syempre super first time sa loob ng cellphone ng bawat tao.
We'd like to be able to offer unique and original experiences in ABS-CBN Mobile. Hindi nila mapapanood on television or anywhere else, no? And that's the spirit behind this.
Napaka-convenient na nasa phone lang siya.
At ang first Starflix movie date mo, ang must-see na Must Date the Playboy, starring Jessie Mendiola, Zian Lim, and Kim Chu.
Si Sian dito, sobrang galing.
Meron akong naramdaman na maturity na in their way of attacking the scenes.
Makakapanibago syempre dahil hindi naman ako chick boy.
Wala siya nung moves sa girls.
Makikita na lang nila yung playboy side of me.
The Zach Andres that I know is all about fun!
Kasalanan ko ba kung ang palay ang lumalapit sa manok?
Unintentionally, nakakasakit pala sila at saka nakakasira ng buhay ng iba sa ngalan ng friendship.
Ngayon lang ako as in super eyeglass. Ganitong itsura ko, tinago ko yung mukha ko.
Korteng poste, nakapala, pero hindi kita papatulan. Over my dead body. So tabi ka na nga dyan!
Si Jessie, first time talaga kami nagka-work na with lines.
Play the Playboy.
Why are we playing the playboy?
Kailangan natin siyang turuan ng leksyon dahil isa siyang manloloko.
Wala naman yung next lap eh!
Nobody does that to me! Nobody!
First time kong mag-play ng role na ganito na sobrang superficial, sobrang social, sobrang spoiled. Alay siya sa mga past roles na nagawa ko.
Reveal na ako sa kanila. Parang pang ilang project ko na to with them. It's nice to be working with friends because I consider them like my friends.
Nakakatuwa dahil kilala namin ang isa't isa.
The trust was there.
Ramdam ko na alagaan talaga ako ni Direk Lee.
Nakaka-excite to do something for a mobile.
Ikaw na ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw na ba love of my life?
Hinanap ko yung timpla kung paano ko ba to imamount. It's between TV and it's like a movie.
Masaya naman. Nagbibiruan lang kahit na everyday kami nagtitaping.
Sobrang nakakatuwa siya yung roles namin. Parang you've never seen us do these roles before.
And we thought that it was a perfect material for Kim and Sian. They thought of a really excellent plot.
I hope people will like what we came up with.
We're gonna give them a quality story, quality show.
I'd like to invite everyone to watch it on your mobile device. Walang pipiling oras, anytime, anywhere. You can watch and enjoy Must Date the Playboy with your favorite Kim Chu and Sian Lim, with of course Jessie Mendiola.
Kapamilya, must watch ang Must Date the Playboy. Abangan!
Must Date the Playboy. Ngayong August 31 na, only on your ABS-CBN Mobile.